Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 126 unable to load VGCore dynamic link library on Coreldraw. So it often happens when you try to run the Coreldraw. You get warning, you receive warning, unable to load VGCore. So this is like a caused by your graphic card driver that is not suitable for use on your computer. You have obsolete driver that does not support of the Coreldraw version. So to overcome the problem, you can try to install runtime C++ redistributable a 64 or 89-bit on Windows. After you download it, you can open the package and select one of a fcredis executable files based on your system, like 64-bit or 32-bit. Then install and restart your computer. After that, you can try to relaunch the Coreldraw. Or if this solution or this method doesn't work, you can try to download or update the latest driver on your graphic card, maybe from the AMD or NVIDIA. Try to go to the official website to download the latest driver and try to update your driver. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.